good?
Should be good. That's scary doing the door wide open.
Well, depending on where he wants the door, but
Go
good?
ahead. Go ahead.
Should be good, right?
Yep.
Okay. And that shows that it has rigid tapping as well. So
Yeah. No, this machine's nice, smooth, quiet, big waves. Remote IC up control. All right, I'm just gonna walk around the entire machine show. There is a parts catcher. We'll show you that in a minute. Here's your spindle through. Here's your tag. Catcher filter system running over the electric fan. Coolant tray with skimmer. Chip conveyor. Just putting the parts catcher on right now for us. Very low hours on this one. Madison, do you know how to pull those hours up? Do you know how to pull those hours up while David's doing that?
Oh, you're looking for the...
Yeah, I was just going to put it on the video. So in case you're wondering, 1200 run time, under 800 cutting time. Perfect. Pedal there. And you got your parts catcher ramp installed. Perfect. Show you inside real quick too.